Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats payment method invalid error. First, open your app, then go to your account, then click on wallet. After that, verify your card number, expiry date, and billing address are correct. Then, make sure your card has enough balance or credit to cover the order. Add a new card or PayPal or other accepted method in the wallet by clicking on the Add Payment method. Then close the Uber Eats completely, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for Uber Eats, swipe it away completely, then reopen it. After that, install the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Uber Eats, and update your app to the latest version if you've already not done so. Then, that's how to fix the Uber Eats payment method failed or invalid error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.